Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ring Solar Power for the stick-up camera. It's a good solar power that supplies power to your stick-up camera so you can have it outside there pretty much all day and all night and not have to worry about changing the batteries or it ever going out because it uses the solar power. You just keep the solar power screen clean and have it facing direct sunlight in the most sunny area, and you should have no problem with it powering the camera. This has been my review of the Ring Solar Power Panel for the stick cam. I hope